Evening folks, it's Monday night, it's our pub meet, first Monday of the month. Of course it's summer, so we're out doing some evening lanes. We're going to end at the pub later. We've got myself in the Trooper, Jamie in the Series, Paul in the Disco and Mark in the Classic. We've got the ladies with us tonight. Jamie's got his dog Alfie, he's tucked up in the truck. Let's go. As I said, we've got Nicola with us tonight. Rachel's in the truck with Jamie tonight as well. Ladies going out for a bit of sunshine. Good and dusty already, but we're going to dampen that down later with a cold beer at the pub. Just dipped out that sun for a minute, it was bright as hell. Dusty as well. Not been down here for a long time. Lovely bit of countryside though. It's a cracking evening tonight. Been a red hot day, it's been 29 degrees the van said on the way home. Beautiful spot up here. This will be the last one for our pub meets now in the evenings, because as you can see our local lanes are closed October to April inclusive. So this being the first the first Monday of the month in September, this will be our last one now. Not saying it'll be our last trip, but it'll be our last evening pub meet trip. This used to be a good lane down to the right hand turn, and when you turn right handed it used to get a bit rutty.
Big Col himself.
I got it, darling. I got it. Just come to this lane, there's a width restriction on it. I don't know if it's to stop caravans or farm equipment or what. But there's a bit of chicane. I'm going to walk it now before Paul comes in. Now I think we're all good. We're all good, mate. Come on. I can't see no posts or anything, Paul. Only there's a post there, bud. That's it. Watch out, so. Right, we'll get the boys through. Farmer's just gone past. I thought he was stopping to chat to us. There's just that one post there, and then that's it. She's a bit narrow. Jamie will breeze it because he's super skinny. Bit of farm traffic tonight. Jamie, there's just that one post there you can see, and when you get round the corner there's another post on the right hand side, another little skinny one. There's nothing else hard, it's just brush. I'll do more, mate. I'll take it in the cab. Sure. Yeah. We'll go back and get the trooper through. I'll put you in the cab for that one. I'll get my glamorous assistant to do it. Got to have a little shunt. Proper tight little bit back there. So I'm not sure what's there because there is a big gate that you can open. But there you go, we're in. This is part of the old airfield now. We get to the other end of the airfield and there's a aviation museum there. Never actually been in there. Perhaps should check it out one day. Oh, fancy bringing us down here, you madman. Hanging down. I've got to get that going. I'll have to get up to on my roof too. I just got stung to fucking bit. Ouch, my legs are on fire. Can you see anything? Is that a deer, Danny? Did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
I hope we got it on camera, Danny.
Yeah.
A bit dark, wasn't it? But hopefully it's showing up.
It didn't look too dark on the screen.
Did it not? It looked quite dark from this side. There's the Aviation Museum, Donny. There's the Aviation Museum, part of an old aeroplane there. I say I've never been in there.
Have you been in that museum then, Paul?
Don't know if it's any good or not.
No.
Lads are just talking about it now. I don't think no one's been in there.
When you look outside it, it's nice. But I need to go in there.
Well, she's proper dark now. We've got one more lane to do and then we get to the pub. Can't wait. Amazing how quick it got dark tonight, considering how hot and sunny it was when we left. Not a cloud in the sky. It's now 8:30 and it's dropped real fast. We're just about to come up to a little ford. I was going to get out and try and film it, but I think it's going to be too dark for you to see it. But we'll see when we get there. Well, that's the laning done. We just pulled up to the pub for a beer. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Cheers.